cast me far away. Play these little games, acting all okay. Today.
I already did my foundation and my eyebrows because I wanted to strictly focus on the new Perception palette in collaboration with Shaylaxcolourpop. This is the palette. It's super cute. I love it. I love the packaging. And then the inside looks like this. I want to really take advantage of all of the colors. I mean, obviously I'm not going to be able to use all of the colors at once, but I'm going to try my hardest to use as many colors as I can. I'm really excited. And I also got the lipsticks. Oh my god, where's the other one? My mom probably got it. I got these three. I got the Come On Sis and Quickie. So first off, I'm gonna apply, this is a NYX concealer, but I use this as a base for my eyelids. It's called Porcelain. I never knew how to say that word. Porcelain. Alright, so I'm gonna take the brush and just apply a good amount on my eyelid. I think that was a little bit too much, but it's okay. And then just blend it with your fingers. Where do I start? I'm excited. Alright, so I see that she has blues, she has greens, she has pink, golds, oranges. She has everything in here, girl. Alright, I'm gonna start off with Culture, which is this, where is it? This shade right here. I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelid, kind of just to set. It looks a little bit dark to me, but we're going for a very bold look, so I'm just gonna risk it, I guess. So yeah, I'm just gonna take Culture and put it all over my eyelid. Oh damn, it's kind of dark. Damn, I want to go into all the oranges, but I feel like it's gonna come out so basic. I want to just dip into the blue right away, but it's very scary. I don't know. Should I do it? Should I do it? Orange and blue. I've never done that combination. I don't feel like it matches, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna take this brush. I don't know if it's by Morphe. I want to say it is, but I don't know. It's very hairy though. Like, I don't really like it too much, so it's probably not Morphe. I'm gonna go in with green or blue. I'm feeling blue. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with 14, which is this blue right here. Ooh, that pigment. Alright. I literally just talked to myself for like 10 minutes without recording. Like, how embarrassing. I don't know where I left off, but when I went to school, everybody had their go-to makeup look, you know, makeup style. Okay, I'm gonna go in with IE, which is this green right here. When I went to school, the first thing that they told us was that everybody should have their own kind of like style or their go-to makeup. There was a lot of girls that were in my class that they loved bridal makeup and just beauty makeup in general. And I really tried to get into that because here in Miami, that's what makes the big buck. Everybody has to go to prom. Everybody has a wedding or a birthday party they have to go to and they need their makeup done. So if you want to make a lot of money here in Miami, beauty makeup is the go-to. Oh, okay, sorry. Guys, I'm getting really distracted. I'm gonna go in with Diva, which is this one, and then TF. I'm gonna mix them both, or I think I'm gonna put TF on the inner corners of my eye to kind of make it look like a contrast. Anyways, But yeah guys, I really tried to get into beauty makeup, but when I was in school, because I mean I was paying for school, so obviously I wanted to graduate and like start making money right away, but I don't know, I just never really saw myself doing that. Like you put liquid latex and prosthetics and just cool colors in front of me and I'll just gag, like I'll die. That's what gets me really excited. The beauty makeup, I mean it's really nice and I love it, but it's not what I prefer to do, if you know what I'm trying to say. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I feel like with beauty makeup you can mess up so easily because it's very precise and you know, like you can't mess up. You have to make sure you blend, and if you don't blend it just looks like crap. And I don't know, it just takes a lot for beauty makeup, like for a makeup look to look really good. And with special effects, I feel like the messier and the more all over the place you are, the better. And that's kind of how I am. Like my personality is just like all over the place. I can't just be still. I have to be crazy, I guess. What I'm doing right now is just blending out everything. The base color that I used, which is Culture, to kind of blend them all in together and make it look seamless. I don't know, am I done? I feel like I haven't done anything. Okay, so on my brow bone, I'm gonna put Unbothered, which is this one right here. Damn, girl. Ow! Alright, I'm gonna go back in with all of the same colors that I used to just kind of intensify everything so it can pop a little more. I'm starving. I think I should start doing my eyes before I do my foundation because this is very inconvenient. I literally just took off half of my concealer from my face. I went ahead and did the other eye. So this is what they both look like. The mascara that I'm using is Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama. I love this mascara. I've had it for so long and it's just amazing. Do I really need falsies? Come on, I don't think so. Alright, next I'm gonna go in. I don't even know what this is. It's Say Bella. Volume is Extreme Length and Lift. This mascara, one of my friends gave it to me, so I don't know where she got it, but it's pretty good too. I really like it. I usually wear both of them together because it just makes it look more, it makes my eyelashes look more lifted, a little bit longer, and very black. I'm gonna use actually her eyeshadows as a highlighter just to see how they apply on my face. I'm gonna use Unbothered. This is Fuego, my favorite highlighter of all time. You guys, this highlighter is so bomb. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to be using Quickie. I don't have a lip liner, so I'm just going to apply it. Oh my god, I messed up my nails. No. So I'm just going to apply it directly on my lips. I'm going to use Come On Sis as well, like on top of this one. There you have it, you guys. This is the final look. I was just basically going with the flow. I wanted to just get a feel of the products that she came out with. It's just a very beautiful palette. It has a lot of different colors that you can play around with, and I tried my hardest to use as many shadows as I could because I really just want to know like what it feels like on my face, how it wear, the pigmentation of it. My thoughts, I mean, I actually really like it. I feel like the colors of the eyeshadows, they come out very pigmented. They're super buttery. They're extremely pigmented. I love it. You literally just have to touch the color and apply it to your face, and it'll come out exactly as it is on the pan. The only thing that I didn't like about this palette is that it's so tiny. Like, I don't know, I was just expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but since the colors are so pigmented and so easy to work with, I feel like this palette would last me a very long time, because you don't really have to dig in to get that color out. You just have to literally just tap it and that's it. I like that it has a little mirror in it. I actually really like these as well. I'm not a lipstick or lip gloss person. I never usually wear things on my lips. I usually just wear like lip balm. I really like them. They're super easy to put on. They don't feel heavy on your lips. Like, I feel like I don't have anything on, which I love, because like I said, I'm not the type of person to put on anything on their lips. So it doesn't feel like I have anything on. They dry matte. I really hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Make sure you follow on my social medias. I'm going to put the links down below so you guys can check it out. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, support me. I'm just starting off, you guys. I'm not a professional. This is just me doing my makeup, playing with makeup, and recording myself. Keep motivating me, give me ideas, inspiration, and yeah, thank you. Yeah. This is my little brother. Where is it? Where's your head? Love you guys. Bye.
Cast me far away.
So, as promised, you guys, I am going to do some swatches. Unbothered, which is this color right here. TF. Titus. Oh, Titus. That was her dog's name. Which is this one. Stallion. Spill the Tea. Diva. IE. 14. Strut and Slay. Wow, that swatch sucked. Let me do it again. Culture. Sassy. September. Revenge. Thick. Played Out. Shade. Sorry for my swatches, you guys, they kind of suck, but you get the idea.